Hello friends. I am back again after a holiday. Let's learn something new that can make your life a bit more easy. Today we are going to learn how to use Excel Dsum function and see how it is easier than Sumif or Sumifs. So what we are waiting for, let's go to my computer screen. As usual, please like and subscribe my channel. I have built a sample database for our calculations. Let's copy the field names to another area. We wanted to use dates conditions 2 times, so we will copy dates another time. Let's start with a simple condition that we want to see the sum of sales only for UAE. Dsum syntax is very simple. It has 3 components. 1. Database, the table which contain all the data including field or column names. 2. Field, the data which you want to sum, for example sales in our case, or you can give the sequence column in your table, for example for in our case. 3. Criteria, the conditions which you want to apply, the short table which we have built next to main table. Let's apply the formula. Validate the result. Let's do the same exercise with Sumif function. Great, our results are matching. Let's go to next level and add another condition by selecting product C under product column. For some we do not have to make much changes, we only have to extend the criteria range and it's done. But Sumif cannot handle 2 conditions, so we have to use Sumifs now. Great, our results are matching. Let's go to another level of complexity. Now we want to add date range starting from January 1st, 2023 to 31 January 2023. Again, we just have to change the criteria range of Dsum formula. But we have to write whole Sumifs formula. Even if we want to link Sumifs formula with reference cells, it's much longer and complicated formula as compared to Dsum. Great, our results are matching. As usual, please like and subscribe my channel.